Hello everyone, I hope you're having a great week. I obviously have too many chickens here, and I've raised a lot of chickens this year, and I thought maybe you'd like to see exactly what it is that we've raised. And it's going to be challenging to do this because I have a couple chickens that want to be right in my face when I'm doing this, so I have to get rid of them first. Well, these critters are Peking Ducks that we got from Rural King, and they are currently, I'd say 9 or 10 weeks old now. We got these from little itty bitties from TSC, and we did end up with 5. We started with 5, and one of them unfortunately didn't make it. So we have 4 going strong. It looks like 2 males and 2 females if I go by the quack test. And they have gotten hooked on this expensive waterfowl treat from TSC, so I'm not really sure how long I'm going to continue buying it for them. But they expect this every morning and every evening, and it sure is fun to watch them eat it. So that's our new waterfowl edition. We've never had any kind of waterfowl before, and we love them. One breed that I hatched this year that is new, these are Spartonas, or the Swedish Black Hen. These are 2 little cockerels. Let's see. In the background there are 2 other ones. This little guy here has a little bit of white on him, which is not what should be happening. He's the only one like that. The rest of them are completely black. And the special thing about this breed is they are, I think it's called fibromelanistic. So they are black from the inside out, like I understand organs and meat and bones, everything is going to be that black color because of I think it's kind of a genetic mutation type thing with them. But they are really neat looking. Ducks are getting a little demanding as time goes on. It's very loud. And here's a little nugget, and like I always say, every chicken flock needs a little nugget. She's a sweetie. I also raised my own layer chicks. This right here is an Australorp that I hatched from my own stock. She is a Australorp Rooster over a Leghorn female. There's one of the Spartonas there. You find some more. I have a couple white leghorns, Leghorns, however you want to say it. Couple to replace. I think I have 3 of them. I also got some Easter eggers. That's one. There's one there in the corner. Got a few of those, and I got some straight run Australorps, of which only one is a pullet. And I have a few males. So I had a few to add to my layer flock, not many, just a few. This is an up close of one of the Spartona cockerels there. One of the Easter eggers and this pretty little girl there. I did not bring any more food for them. They're very bossy, but they sure are cute. These little cuties are my Bantam black Cochins. They are super cute. Unfortunately, it only looks like one of these is a girl. Maybe 2, but I think just one. I had 5. One of them had a tragedy here when they started running with everyone else, unfortunately, but they're super cute. Hey, if anybody's in Northwest Indiana and wants a little black Cochin Bantam cockerel, let me know in the comments. I can get one for you. And finally, these little adorable things here. This is what the Silky Hen raised, and there are 3 of them. Look how cute. And these are black Cochin Bantams and a Silky mix. Dad was Big Bird and Mom was little Cochins that I love. And they couldn't be any cuter. Look at them, they're adorable. And it's one boy. He's over there, and he has some coppering on his feathers there around his neck. Just kind of cute. He's really sweet and cute. I love these guys. If you're in Northwest Indiana and you're looking for a really cute little trio of chickens that your kids would love for pets, again, let me know in the comments. Something really fun is to watch a few of these bantams will get on these ducks and take the ducks on head on. It's hilarious to watch. When it happens, you would think that the chickens would be scared of them, but that's not always the case. And the last thing we raised this year, which is again totally new, are these Rudd Rangers, not Red Rangers, but Rudd Rangers. They're from Hoover's Hatchery, and these are kind of a red broiler meat bird. And these guys are probably around, I'd say 8 weeks now, maybe I think they're 7 or 8 weeks. And I had really low expectations for them, but I'll tell you what, I am so impressed. They have grown so well. They are the same age here as the black ones. Actually, they're probably a week or two smaller than or younger than the black ones. And they're bigger. They are beefy. They've just done wonderful out here. I don't do anything special with them. They just run around with everyone else. They have a lumbering gait like a Cornish cross does. So you can tell they're more on the, meat bird side of things. But as far as like no hassle and just being out with everyone else, they've been perfect. So we're getting ready to put them in the freezer here in a couple more weeks when we butcher, and I'll let you know how they dress out. But I've been thrilled with them. I will definitely try these guys again. Here they come. They see the water's running in that little pool over there. And that is what we've raised this year. The rest of the crew has just been around. So I hope you all have a great rest of the week. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you the next time.